Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new problem which says find the number of 2 cross 2 matrix. So, we have only 2 cross 2 matrix. So, suppose that the matrix is A. So, can I write A11, A12, A21, A22? So, we got our matrix. Now, according to them, they are saying that matrix satisfying. So it should satisfy this condition, means we can use only element as 1 or minus 1. The second condition is a11 square plus a12 square equals to a21 square, a22 square equals to 2. So this condition will hold true in all the cases. Irrespective of using any number 1 or minus 1, its square will always be 1 and its square will always be 1 and the sum of both of them will become 2, and same problem we will face over here as well. So no need to worry about the case 2, means condition 2. Now we have this condition that a11 times a21 means these two things. So product of these two things and the product of these two things, and if we will add them we should have 0. Correct? So look at this. Now let's emphasize more. Try to understand this idea. So they have given you a11, a21 plus a12, a22. This has to be 0. It is only possible if we have this as 1, because product of 1 and minus 1 will always be either 1 or minus 1. So if this is 1, this has to be minus 1. Correct? And case 2 would be what? This is minus 1 and this is plus 1. So we can only have these two cases. So now try to crack down the cases. So suppose that we are dealing with case 1. So they are saying that a11, a21 has to be 1. So what could be the case? We can use a11 as 1, a11 as 1 and a21 as 1. Correct? Or we can use a11 as minus 1 and a21 as minus 1. So for the first element to make 1 we have this many cases. Now for second element we have a12, a22, and this time we want product as minus 1. So it is possible for, look at this, minus 1 is when it is possible. So a12 is 1, a22 is minus 1. So sign should be different. Or we can have a 12 equals to minus 1 and a22 equals to plus 1. Correct? Now look at this. Suppose that we are dealing with case 1. So in case 1 we will have how many situations? So if we will consider this case, so it can go with this or it can go with this. So for first situation we have two cases. Similarly, if we will consider this, so we can go with this, we can go with this. So we have two more cases for this part. So for case 1 we have 4 combinations. Okay, means for the first part we have two situations. Our task is not completed, so we will multiply. For second part we have two cases. Now task is over, so result is 4. So from case 1 we have 4 situations. Correct? Now read that case 2. So suppose we are dealing with case 2. In case 2 the order is changed. So can I interchange the location? This time this thing will be negative, that thing will be positive. So again, don't you think that you got 2 into 2 case? So from here also we will have 4 situations. So from case 1 we got 4, from case 2 we got 4. Therefore the required number will become what? 8. Okay, so there are 8 matrix which is possible, which will follow these 3 cases. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.